Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows Store not working in Windows 10. Right-click Start button. Click Windows PowerShell Admin. Copy the command from the description. Paste it to PowerShell window. Command is executing. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.